Hey friends, if you wish to add a custom dictionary in Word, Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Leave alone for Outlook. Though the process will be similar. So click on File, select Options, go to Proofing. In this section here where it says when correcting spelling in Microsoft Office programs, go and click on Custom Dictionaries. Click on edit word list, and let's say you wish to add a word. You can simply enter the word here and click on OK and then on OK. Or you can also add a complete new dictionary if you know what it is. Okay, and then click on OK and then click on OK. Now I will try to type my name and hit enter, and it does not give a red line below it, which means that this word has been accepted into the dictionary. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.